we're busking this again now because I haven't quite written anything down, but I just want to go into openings. We've done doors, we've done windows, so openings are, as I explained, like, just an opening without a door, but one you walk through. So obviously it's got a seal level of 0 or a threshold of some description. So it's simply the same as the doors. It's under the door family. So click on door, have a look, see if you've got one open. In this case we don't. Click on load family. Now I know that the openings that I want are not in the AutoCAD Revit thingy, they're in our one, which is here, and then doors, openings, and the one at the top that simply says door opening. Click on that, place it in our drawing. The difficulty in this is that the opening height isn't recorded, and the openings, I believe, don't come out in the schedule, which is a right pain in our arse, isn't it? And the way that I normally do it is by checking on the survey, checking on my actual laptop that I do the survey on, opening up the bit of software that I use the survey, going into it. That's potentially something you might be able to do, but we'll have to find a workaround for this. Perhaps we for now just set it at the ceiling height. Yeah, do that. I don't think we've gone through ceiling heights yet, have we? Just for argument's sake, we'll set this at 2000 so that we know we're putting it in. It's exactly the same process as the doors. So highlight it if you've put it in there, otherwise you'll have this open anyway. Edit type, duplicate it. Oh bugger, I've covered our window. We can see from this number here that it's 1769. So we duplicate 1769, and in this case, for argument's sake, we're putting it at 2000. As we did before, 1769 and 2000. Click OK. You got the option of aligning using the align tool or selecting the temporary dimension. This one will select the temporary dimension, 701, and then our opening is in there. Now, this is slightly going off the track, and obviously I know that we haven't completed all of these. I'm going to jump forward a little bit as if we've put all of the doors and the windows in, just to finish off the openings. Okay, so assuming that we'd got all of our doors, windows and openings in, we're done with it, and we no longer need to be able to see the survey. So we go down here, we select our detail, and we go back to course, and then we go to our visual style, and we go back to hidden line. They're the ones that we want to be in mostly. Okay, highlight the survey. You need to move around until you get it, but this properties palette will always tell you what you've got selected. So import symbol, we know DXF, that's the one that we imported. Right, we don't want to delete it because there's lots of times that we're going to want to refer back to it. we just want to hide it out of our view. I'm not sure where the button for it is. It's a keyboard shortcut, HE, hide element. The other one that's associated is HC, hide category. An example, if I click on the survey and click HE to hide element, it hides just that. If I click on the window and click HE, it hides just that window. If I click on the door and type HC for hide the category, it will hide everything that is in that category. And we can see here that it's in category doors. So if I type HC, it will take out all doors. Now you'll see that it's left a space there where I removed the door, and it's left a space there where I removed the window. That kind of reinforces we're only hiding that particular family or element. So that's not changing any of the properties of the building or the model. The other thing to think about as well is that hiding things is only in this view, so only in existing ground floor plan. If I go to proposed ground floor plan, those doors and the DXF is still visible. Close that view, back to our existing ground floor. They're not visible here just because I've hidden them in this view. I think that's probably a good point to jump onto the next one.